Hey guys, my name's Jason with Wolf Overland. We just installed a new modification on the Jeep and we're out here in the swamp today and I wanted to go over it. So this is the Armorlite flooring and these are made right here in North Carolina, and so it's kind of local to me. We're in South Carolina, but it's kind of local to me. But this flooring, I'll go over the install real quick. I did an install video on this. And this flooring is amazing. I've had it now on for 3 or 4 months now. I would buy it again. Not sponsored. I bought it on my own. But basically the front and rear, we ripped the carpets out of the Gladiator. And we installed this rubberized, very thick, very insulated flooring. And it is contoured exactly to the Jeep. It's got drain holes, so you can wash these out when you're cleaning and just drain them straight out of the car. And the fit and finish is amazing. They tuck in up under everything. They're so much thicker than the factory stuff, and it fits like all the grommets in the front. They fit amazingly well. Kind of a pain to get it in, but we can go over that with the install video. But it fits perfectly. Like, it fits so good. And it's in the back too. But yeah, even with different modifications, everything still seems to fit and work great. And it tucks up under everything. You got drain holes in the back. You got to pay more money for different colored drain holes. It just comes with black ones after for the red for the front. But you can drain holes right here too. And it fits perfectly around the cup holders. But yeah, works. I really like this modification. It's drastically helped with sound and heat transfer from under the vehicle. Definitely helps the AC be colder, the heat be hotter, and you don't really have that heat transfer from the exhaust coming through, and the sound deadening helps out a lot on the road. All right, this came in the mail today. The Armorlite front and rear floor mats for the Jeep Gladiator. We're going to open this thing up and install it on the Jeep. So it is nicely insulated on the inside. That's going to help with noise. And then look how thick that plastic material is. And apparently you can wash it out with it too. It seals really well. They also included some red floor mat drain plugs, instructions, some stickers. And they're actually made right here in North Carolina at Old Fort. There's a lot of cool trails up there too. So, alright, first step is we're going to pull all the floor mats out, and we're going to pull my aftermarket tray out. So I got to pull all this storage stuff out, unbolt this. It just bolts into the factory location. And then we're going to unbolt the front, and then we're going to take loose both seats and the center consoles and go from there. So for this, there's a bolt here and a bolt in the front. Just pop the cover off. It's a 10mm. Take those out before you take the seat out, because you got to go back and forth. And we're technically not taking the seat out. We're just loosening it up, and then we're kind of rocking it back and forth. So we don't have to do no electrical connectors. We're just gonna have it loose so we can kind of get it in and out. All right. So the seats take a EP12. It's like a 5-point bit for the seats. All right, so these seats take a EP12, and I had to custom buy this socket from Amazon, but you'll need it. So EP12, 4 bolts for that. Same with that side. Now the driver's seat, I got that Desert seat slammer, so it brought the seat down a lot. Made it more comfortable for big guys like me. It shouldn't be a problem. It's just a different fastener. All right, moving right along. Next time, take the seats out. You can leave the center console in, but take the seats out. Fits pretty good. I mean, this is really high quality stuff. Like, even it's thicker than the carpet that was in it, and it is automotive quality or better as far as the padding. So it's good stuff. Now, whether or not it's right for you is another thing too, because the carpet moves a lot easier. This stuff's so firm and hard to manipulate. If you ever had to pull it out, if you flooded, got water in here, it would be a rough day. All right, here's the final result. The red is a little bit off compared to the Rubicon red color, but the fit and finish is really nice. Like, it tucks up, it's a lot thicker, it snaps into these a lot better. Floor plugs, really accessible. Even coming up under here, looks nice. Back seat, same thing. Tucks up really nice all around. The fit and finish of it is really nice. Obviously some stuff to look out for. Take the seats out. You're gonna scratch up this plastic on here. Mine's already kind of beat up, so I'm not really that worried about it. But if you do it, again, you got drain plugs back here. Looks really nice. All the floor mats and carpet fit back in the original box. If you ever want to go back, this is reversible. Pardon all the dust. Yeah, fits great. No concerns. Now, I have the Desert seat slammer, so my seat sits a lot lower and still fits great. No worries. Looks good. I do have the dead pedal to rest your foot on from, I believe this is a Quadratech one, but Metal Cloak makes a nice one too. But again, fit and finish is super nice, fits in there great. And we got it all back together. So yeah, give me a comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you think of the flooring, if you'd put it in your Jeep. And we'll see you on the next one. I'll link a QR code above below if you want to take your phone, take a picture of it. I don't make money on it, but if you can just help me out, give me a like, comment, subscribe. That helps me out on the YouTube. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you like this type of video, please think about joining my Patreon page for about $4 a month. I'll give you GPS coordinates, patron-only trips with yours truly, and a direct way to message me and talk anything Jeep and overlanding. Thanks again for watching. See you on the next one.